Hello my friends and welcome to another Twin Snakes Airsoft video. This one, part 2 of the mail from the weekend. I say that reluctantly because I have got a part 3, but I'm going to do this tidbits over my Instagram, so enjoy the video guys. I'll talk a little bit more over it. See you in a bit.
Hey! Sorry buddy. Okay, so
use a little hook for me with fucking Scarlet.
You can, but they've got it covered. For sure, they've got it covered. Rod, you need to play aggressive here.
We need to get into that room.
Yeah, we do. We need to get in that room.
Now this is a funny objective, this one. They actually, the mill, or the marshals, so I'm blaming you guys, actually split the arena in two. So you actually had to do a loop round to actually get to each other. It was actually quite a hybrid gameplay because there was only certain ways to actually get into the opposing opposition's half, so to speak. So it was quite interesting. It was definitely a different twist, if you say, but it was enjoyable, and you'll see from the gameplay here.
Come with me there. I'm gonna go from here. Yeah, go for it. One, two, three, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eyes on there. I'm exposed here. Place of gunning. Hey! Good shot! They're bad! They're bad! Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you. Mine's clear. No, it's not. You're done. Kill that light, mate. Whoever's got that. Got a strobe. Dead man, hit.
Hell, you took a long wonder. You took a long wonder, didn't you?
What?
For being dead to there.
No, I got revived, mate.
Oh, did you? Why did you revive us then?
Well, I've just tried to, but you didn't move.
So where?
And obviously there's an enemy right beside of it.
Oh, he's friendly. Thank you. Is he still there?
I don't know. I don't even know what the objective is.
We're supposed to get bombs in the jungle, but...
Careful, mate. Can we pass into that side, yeah?
Yeah, it used to.
Following you. Yeah, okay. Ted. Dead man. Dead man.
That was a good fucking shot, that back at leg.
Thank you.
I finally get taken out here, and that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Please leave that like and subscribe. Part 3 will be on the Instagram as little tidbits. So again, thank you for watching, guys, and always remember, I'll see you on the next one.